Opisyal nang binuksan ngayong araw ang search for 10 most outstanding students of Bicol o TOSB para sa taong 2026 to 2027. Dumalo sa nasabing pagbubukas ang mga opisyal mula sa higher education institutions sa rehiyon, kabilang na ang Commission on Higher Education o CHED Bicol, Rotary Club of Legazpi at Sorsogon, at Ako Bicol Party List sa pangunguna ni Ako Bicol Party List Representative Attorney Alfredo Garbin Jr. Bukas ang TOSB para sa lahat ng mga Bicolanong mag-aaral na naka-enroll sa higher education institutions o HEI sa Bicol Region. Ang mga nominado ay dapat naangat sa academics, nagpapamalas ng epektibo at responsableng pamumuno at aktibong nakikilahok sa mga inisyatibo ng komunidad.
With our relaunching this year, one of the perks, the students will not only get a cash prize and a plaque and any other thing that AKB, headed by Congressman Garbin, will sponsor, but really, we hope to give these students an opportunity to propose project that could be funded by AKB, of course, by your money as well, no? The taxpayers' money. So I hope that we will give them the chance to implement this advocacy, and we would want them to do that while they are still a student.
Taong 2009 ang unang simula ng TOSB sa inisyatiba ng Ako Bicol Party List at sa pakikipagtulungan sa Commission on Higher Education. Layunin din ng TOSB na bigyang pugay ang pagsisikap at kontribusyon ng mga mag-aaral na Bicolano sa lokal at pambansang pag-unlad.
As you know, education is in the forefront of our advocacy. Wala kaming ibang inisip kito paglaog din sa Kongreso, kundi kung paano matabanganta sa tuyang mga kasasantingan as in may institutionalize ang pinag-aapot ng scholarship program sa Kongreso. We always believe that education is the greatest equalizer. In fact, I always say that education is the best weapon to fight poverty.
Magbubukas ang aplikasyon sa January 1 hanggang January 31, 2026.
The application deadline is January 31. All complete portfolios must be received by 5 p.m. if I'm not mistaken, because we will be still needing a hard copy of their application. But don't worry, we have different drop boxes, because of course you can find AKB anywhere. So in all of in your regions, so there are offices where you could submit your portfolios.
May tema ang TOSB na Spicing Up the Future, fueling the next generation of Bicolano greatness. Para sa mga balitang Tatak, Bicol, Angeline Dagta.